visited Jaisalmer for 5 days. Zoo, Rail Museum, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, some other attractions and monuments of Delhi were visited by the students, which was a great learning experience and they enjoyed thoroughly. Games and sports. Apart from the school curricular and co-curricular activities, students also participated in various extramural competitions. These were various competitions organized by the CBSE at various levels. CBSE East Zone Skating Championship was held at Kothari International School, Noida, in which Anuj Bhati got 4th position in quad event. CBSE Cluster 3 football tournament, where 84 schools participated, was held at Karan Public School at Meerut. CBSE Cluster 3 athletic meet was held at DPS Meerut, where Ankur Solanki of class 12C bagged the 4th position in 5,000 meters and 1,500 meter races. Rhine Maggie Marathon, organized by Rhine International School, Greater Noida. In this event, Ankur Solanki stood second and got a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Saurabh Sharma stood fourth and won a cash prize of rupees 600. Bhupendra Tyagi, Ajay Mishra, Sunal Sharma, Praveen Kumar received consolation prizes. Not only in traditional games, our school has also excelled in modern games like karate and skating. The performance in these games is worth mentioning. Shito Rai Karate School of India organized a karate competition at YMCA Greater Noida. Salman Saifi and Farman Saifi won gold medals and Anubha won silver medal. National School of Skating organized an All India Skating Championship at Mumbai. Milind Sharma won gold and bronze medals in skating, hockey and speed race. Arpit Vashisht won gold and silver in skating, hockey and skating relay. Akash Bansal won gold and 3 silver medals in skating, hockey, speed squad race, inline quad race and eliminating skating respectively. Akash Bansal is also selected in under 17 category for representing Uttar Pradesh in School Games Federation of India Roller Skating Championship. Infrastructure and support system. In order to cater to the growing strength of students and demand for technology in classroom, the new building has become functional from July 2010. Apart from our existing fully furnished and well-equipped labs and library, we have separate composite science labs up to secondary level. A new computer lab for pre-primary and primary classes, a well-equipped art, music and dance room and mathematics and social science labs. The new building also has a separate audiovisual room, conference room and the basement areas available to conduct various schools and intra-school activities. Library. We have expanded and enlarged our school library by adding a large number of titles on varied topics and subjects to the already existing well-furnished and well-stocked library. The number of books as on today stands at more than 10,000. Our new block. In the new building, fully air-conditioned primary block is coming up on the ground floor. Yes, please, that deserves a clap. To improve the motor skills and purposeful entertainment, a new multiple swings adventure island, you can see it across, has been added, wherein the students will enjoy on all new swings and slides. Latest furniture and designer uniform will be incorporated from the new session for pre-primary students. The education being imparted is child-centric and electrifying, Child's comfort and motivation is the chief aim of the new learning environment. A fully equipped medical infirmary is an important and an essential part of our new building. To provide immediate first aid, a trained nurse on attendance and a doctor on call will be available from the new session. Keeping pace and striding ahead with technological advancement, the school is now all geared up to introduce smart classes for classes 3rd to 8th in the first phase from January 2011 onwards. In the smart classes, each room will be equipped with LCD projector, interactive board, and the latest hardware and software. This will make learning more practical and joyful with the help of 3D devices. I thank all our esteemed guests, parents, students, once again for their unstinting and continuous support. Although there is no shortcut to success, one must organize oneself, one's thoughts and priorities so that adequate attention can be given to the mission at hand. I'd like to conclude with a short inspirational poem, Lending Hope. God has not promised skies always blue, flower-strewn pathways all our life through. God has not promised sun without rain, joy without sorrow, peace without pain. But God has promised strength for the day, rest for labor, light for the way. And so, let us pledge to overcome our shortcomings and make a determined effort to accomplish the noble dreams. I wish all our esteemed invitees and audience a very happy and a fruitful year ahead. May God be with you in your sincere attempts. Thank you. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2011. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A new building with an air condition and smart classes. Isn't it exciting, parents? Please give a loud round of applause for our school. 3 cheers to Acta Public School. Here approaches the end of one more year with laurels and applause in every sphere. Thank you, ma'am, for all that you have shared with us all. It proves that Acta will forever shine brightly. The students who are to receive prizes, please move backstage. All the students who are to receive prizes, please move backstage immediately. Pre-nursery first, Harshit Parashit. Just putting all the sections together, parents. Please give him a loud round of applause. He does deserve it. He worked very hard for it. Harshit Parashit, first prize. Pre-nursery.
Ma'am, सामने please.
That is Harshit Parashit from pre-nursery. Nursery, Akriti Bhatia. First in nursery, Akriti Bhatia. And that is a beautiful Radha. Please clap for her. She's performed really marvelously today. Akriti Bhatia, nursery A.
अभिभावकों के अनुरोध है कि तालियों के द्वारा छात्रों का उत्साह वर्धन करें। अभिभावकों से अनुरोध है कि वो तालियों द्वारा छात्रों का उत्साह वर्धन करें।
Next, Suchitra Das, KG. First in class KG, Suchitra Das. Parents, give a loud round of applause for her. She's really worked hard, very, very hard for it. It's not just a single day that she's worked. She's worked over the year and only then has she received the first position. Aman Peniwal, KGB. Aman Peniwal, KGB. Each and every day counts throughout the year, not just a single day. Last minute work never helps a child. Please put your hands together and clap for them all, parents. They do deserve it. They deserve it. Disha Sharma is the desk. She is focused and she knows that she must come first in the class in order to excel in life. Disha Sharma. Class 1. Athar Kamle, class 2. First in class 2, Athar Kamle, he has left. First in class 3, Avantika Tiwari. First in class 3, Avantika Tiwari. Please clap parents. Clap, each one of you must clap for her. Avantika Tiwari, class 3. Rahul Srivastava, class 4. First in class 4, Rahul Srivastava.
अभिभावक तालियों द्वारा छात्रों का उत्साह वर्धन करते रहे। इनसे इस साल में और
Rahul Srivastava. Vishal Kashyap,